Okay, I literally just forgot you need a tool to pull the counterweight off. So, let's make one. So now this is done. Unfortunately, the bolts are way too long, but I have this nice piece of aluminum to put here. Looks like it's gonna work out. Probably should have tried this before I put it on camera because I'm gonna look like an idiot. After my cardboard template I made you guys. That scared the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie. So after forgetting that I don't own one of these tools and wanting to get this motor disassembled, quickly came up with this today, decided to share it with you guys. Hopefully you liked it. If so, please subscribe. Lots more videos to come. Be uploading a series of how to disassemble the motor, and that'll be up next. So again, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.